Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case which is based on the income from house property. In the present case, a very pertinent issue before the Tribunal Bangalore IT80A bench was that if the assessee purchases some properties and the assessee takes the plea that the assessee is not able to locate the tenant for them, or the assessee takes the plea that the assessee has not purchased those properties for giving on the rent and the property remains vacant for the full year. So whether in that case the notional value of the income of that properties, that is fair rental value of the property, will be taxed in the hands of the assessee or not. This issue has been decided by the Honorable Tribunal in the case of Bindu Malayam Panduranga versus Income Tax Officer, and this case is reported in 125 ITR Tribunal at page number 507. The date of the judgment is 30th May 2025. In the present case, the assessee was having several properties. The assessee was showing the income rental value of those properties and the maintenance charges of those properties under the head business profession. The assessing officer has taxed them as income from house property, and the assessing officer has also taxed the annual rental value of the properties which has not been let out during the whole year. When this matter was before the tribunal against the inculcation of the deemed rental value of those properties which has not been let out during the year, for that the assessee was pleading that the assessee is not able to locate the tenant for those properties and the assessee has not purchased those properties for giving them on the rent. For this, the tribunal said that first of all, the rental value, the rent received from those properties should be taxed under the head income from house property. The tribunal said that section 23 subsection 1 clause A talks about the annual value to be determined in case of house property income, and the house property income is artificially defined income and liability arises from the fact that the assessee is the owner of the property. The tribunal said that notional income is taxable in the Income Tax Act in many cases and it is not a new concept in the Income Tax Act. The tribunal said that actual rent to be received is not a precondition for inculcation of the income under the head income from house property, and the only condition and the only exemption is that when the property is self-occupied by the assessee. The tribunal said that it cannot be assumed that the assessee would retain the property without rent, and the assessee failure to locate the tenant cannot be the basis for not inculcation of the deemed rental value of the property under the head income from house property. As far as the plea of the assessee that there is some disability in the property, the assessee is not able to produce any disability or the physical disability of the property due to which the property cannot be given on the rent. So because the assessee has not been able to produce the annual rental value of the property, the assessing officer was not at fault in taking the deemed rental value of those properties. The second issue before the tribunal was that the assessee was pleading that the case of the assessee was a limited scrutiny and the assessing officer has travelled beyond that limited scrutiny. For that, the tribunal said that in the present case, since the income of the assessee was beyond 50 lakh and the assessee has not filed the schedule AL in which the assessee has to show his details of liabilities and assets. So in this case, since the assessee has not provided the full details in the income tax return, so the assessee cannot plead that the case was for the limited scrutiny and the other matters cannot be investigated by the assessing officer. So in the present case, both the grounds of the assessee didn't work. First of all, the tribunal was of the considered view that if the property is not let out for the whole year and the assessee is not able to give the fair rental value of the property, so the assessing officer was justified in taxing the notional income. And on the second ground also of the limited scrutiny ground of the assessee that doesn't work for the assessee. At the end of this video, once again, I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Bindu Malayam Panduranga versus Income Tax Officer, and this case is reported in 125 ITR Tribunal at page number 507, and the date of the judgment is 30th May 2025. Thank you, friends.